Hi everyone, I'm Leon Logothetis, host of the Netflix series The Kindness Diaries. Last year, I teamed up with doTERRA in a campaign to add more kindness to the world. We challenged wellness advocates, wholesale customers, corporate employees, and anyone else who wanted to participate to perform small acts of kindness for 15 days. Our goal was to put 250,000 acts of kindness into the world. Together, we performed more than 330,000. Thank you again. Today is World Kindness Day. To celebrate, I'm here to tell you about an amazing project that developed out of last year's initiative. I went with doTERRA to the Food and Care Coalition in Provo, Utah, to deliver 72-hour emergency relief hygiene kits and sack lunches, prepared by doTERRA employees. The Food and Care Coalition is a unique place that provides educational, medical, dental and mental health services, as well as employment opportunities for those who are emerging from homelessness. During the visit, we learned more about the scale of homelessness in Utah County and the vast need for affordable housing. As a result, doTERRA has committed significant time and funding through the doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation to help the Food and Care Coalition build Candlelight Villas, a permanent complex that will provide greatly needed supportive housing in Utah County. The groundbreaking for Candlelight Villas was just last month. Candlelight Villas will have 72 one-bedroom units situated on a beautiful campus in a pocket neighbourhood design. There will be a garden, an outdoor gathering space and a brand new doTERRA service centre. This centre will provide a space for wellness advocates, employees and members of the community to participate in service opportunities. Candlelight Villas will be a truly unique place of kindness. I'm amazed at the collaboration and opportunities that have emerged from a simple visit to the Food and Care Coalition last year. One act of kindness has expanded into something with enormous impact, and it's beautiful. Let's celebrate World Kindness Day by engaging in good together. Share your acts of kindness with us on social media, tagging doTERRA and using the hashtag #EngagingGood. Now, let's go be kind.